So I'm going to talk a little bit more about puzzle pieces from the hundreds chart. So if we were to look at 59 being here on the hundreds chart, and this is just a puzzle piece of it, what would go up here, what would go down here, and all of these other blanks? The first and easiest thing for me to think of is what comes before 59, right? Because when I'm talking about going 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm talking about going by ones. So I'd say 59, what comes before? 58. Now I know that when I go up and down, and I'm thinking about the 100 chart, I count by tens. So the bigger numbers go down and the smaller numbers go up. So I'd say 58, I'm going down, so I'm going to say 68 because only the tens places are changing. The ones places are going to stay exactly the same. Here, I'm going to count up, so I'm going to minus 1. Smaller numbers are going to get smaller, so I'm not going to say 59, I'm going to say 49 because, again, remember, I'm in that tens place. And if I'm going down here, then I'm going to go 69 because it's one more 10 than it was before. So we have 49, 59, 69, 58, 68, 58, 59, 68, 69, and look at that. I can just go one more for 70. Let me try another one. This one's a little bit more funky, right? So if I had 32 here, what would come before 32? Well, you know what comes before 32, 31, because I'm counting by ones, and the numbers are getting smaller because I'm going backwards. If I were going forward, they would get bigger. Forward is bigger. Okay, now I'm going to go over here and pretend that I have a number here so I can figure out these two. So I can even write it. I can say, what comes before 31? 30. So now I'm going to go up here and say, well, if this is 30 and I'm going backwards, then I'm getting smaller. I'm going to say this one is 20. And then up again, the numbers get smaller, so this is 10. Now I'm going to come over here and pretend that I'm going to put a number here just to help me get these two boxes set. So what comes after 32? I'm counting by ones because I'm going across and it's getting bigger, so I'm going to go higher. What comes after 32? 33, right? And then I can fill up here by looking at the tens, right? And I can say 33, 43, because only the tens place is changing this time. And then if I go up backwards, then I'm getting smaller numbers, so it's 23. Okay, don't forget that when we go up and down in the hundreds chart, our numbers, right, we count by tens. If I go up counting by tens, they get smaller. If I go down counting by tens, they get bigger. If I go across like this, I'm counting by what? Ones, right. If I go down, my numbers get bigger. If I go backward, my numbers get smaller. So backward is always smaller.